Welcome to Ideka Stories, the best channel for bedtime stories for kids in English, fairy tales for kids, and moral stories for kids. Our today's story is titled The Tale of Willy-willy, Melekuku, Melanakuku, and CioCioCio, the brave survivor. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by dense forests and sparkling rivers, there lived a family with 4 children. The eldest was Willy-willy, a tall and proud boy who loved to play games and run through the fields. Next were his twin sisters, Melekuku and Melanakuku, known for their playful tricks and their love for dancing. They were always cheerful and loud, their laughter filling the house. But there was one more child in the family, their youngest sister, CioCioCio. CioCioCio was different. She was adopted, and while her 3 siblings had light skin like their parents, CioCioCio had beautiful brown skin, which made her stand out. Sadly, instead of celebrating her uniqueness, her parents and siblings often treated her unfairly. They don't love her the same way, and they will leave her out of many things. They never said it out loud, but she knew it from their actions, and it made her sad. Whenever the parents bought food, they would call Willy-willy, Melekuku, and Melanakuku to come and eat. They had a special song they would sing. Willy-willy, come here, Melekuku, come here, Melanakuku, come. But CioCioCio, stay back. Ice cream is here. Ice cream is waiting. Willy-willy, come eat. Melekuku, come eat. Melanakuku, come. But CioCioCio, stay back. They will sing it happily, but they always left CioCioCio out of the song. The 3 siblings would rush to eat while CioCioCio was told to stay behind. Sometimes she would watch from a distance, hoping they would save a little for her, but they never did. And after the ice cream was gone, the parents would call CioCioCio not to eat, but to watch the corpse. Feeling hungry and forgotten, CioCioCio would sometimes lick the leftover ice cream from the corpse. She knew it wasn't fair, but she didn't want to complain. Her heart was heavy with sadness, but she was strong and kind, even when treated unfairly. Now, in the forest near the village, there was a dangerous creature called the mimicking beast. This beast had the ability to copy voices perfectly, and it would often lure children by sounding like their parents. No one has seen the beast for a long time, so the family had forgotten about it, but it was always watching and listening. One day, as usual, the parents bought ice cream and sang their special song. Ice cream is here, Ice cream is waiting. Willy-willy, come here. Mele cuckoo, come here. Melana cuckoo, come. But CioCioCio, stay back. Willy-willy, come eat. Mele cuckoo, come eat. Melana cuckoo, come. CioCioCio, don't come. Once again, CioCioCio was left out, and she was told to wander around the compound while her siblings feasted inside the house. But the mimicking beast was hiding nearby, watching closely and learning the song. It had been waiting for this moment. Later that day, the parents locked the three children, Willy-willy, Mele Cuckoo, and Melana Cuckoo, inside the house and left CioCioCio outside, telling her to stay in the compound while they went to the market. The mimicking beast saw its chance. It waited until the parents were far away and then approached the house. Its footsteps were heavy, but its voice was clear, mimicking the parents' voice. Ice cream is here. Ice cream is waiting. Willy-willy, come eat. Mele cuckoo, come eat. Melana cuckoo, come. And CioCioCio, come eat. Willy-willy, come here. Mele cuckoo, come here. Melana cuckoo, come. CioCioCio, come also. The beast sang in a voice almost like their parents, but with a slight difference. Willy-willy, Mele Cuckoo, and Melana Cuckoo were inside the house playing and laughing. When they heard the voice, their eyes lit up with excitement. Ice cream! Willy-willy shouted, running towards the door. He's calling us again, hurry! Mele Cuckoo and Melana Cuckoo followed him eagerly, forgetting that their parents had already left and locked them inside. But CioCioCio was outside, and when she heard the voice, her heart skipped a beat. Something didn't feel right. The voice wasn't exactly like her parents. It was a bit rough, a little strange. She listened carefully, her sharp ears catching the difference that her siblings couldn't hear. They will never call me for ice cream, CioCioCio whispered to herself. She quickly hid in the storehouse near the gate, where she knew she would be safe. Quietly, she peeked through the door, her heart racing. Inside, her three siblings rushed to the door. They were so excited by the promise of ice cream that they didn't stop to think. They unlocked the door and ran outside, following the voice of the mimicking beast. As soon as they stepped outside, the mimicking beast pounced. It was huge, with sharp teeth and glowing eyes. In a matter of seconds, it gobbled them up like peanuts. They didn't even have time to scream. The beast, satisfied, disappeared back into the forest, leaving only the silence behind. When their parents returned home and saw the empty house, they were confused. Where were Willy-willy, Mele Cuckoo, and Melana Cuckoo? They searched everywhere, calling their names, but the house was silent. Finally, they found CioCioCio hiding in the storehouse. CioCioCio, what happened? Where are your siblings? They asked, their voices full of worry. With tears in her eyes, CioCioCio told them everything. She explained how the mimicking beast had tricked her siblings and how she had stayed behind because she knew something wasn't right. Her parents were filled with shock and regret. They realized that CioCioCio's careful thinking and bravery had saved her life. If they had treated her with love and kindness from the beginning, they might have saved their other children too. "We are sorry, CioCioCio," her parents say, their voices trembling. "We should have loved you just as much as others. Can you ever forgive us?" CioCioCio looked at her parents, and though her heart was full of pain, she nodded. "I forgive you," she whispered. From that day on, her parents showed her with love and care. They no longer sang the cruel song that left her out. Instead, they sang together as a family, and CioCioCio was included in everything. The village never forgot the lesson of mimicking beasts and the bravery of CioCioCio. She grew up strong and wise, always reminding others to treat everyone with kindness, no matter how different they might be. And so, CioCioCio lived a happy, full of love. She lived a life of full of love, surrounded by those who had finally learned the importance of fairness, courage, and family. Moral of the story: 1. Everyone deserves love and kindness, no matter how different they may seem. 2. Being cautious and brave in difficult situations can save your life. And last, we should always treat others with fairness because we are all valuable in our own special way. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and comment. Bye.